In this session, let's see how we can track changes to the data. Okay, this can be achieved using the flashback version query. Okay, for a given specific row, if you want to track what happened during a specific time period, yes, you can do that. Okay, undo retention parameter plays a major role. Okay, it holds the number of seconds the database will be tracking your changes. Okay, so if you want to see how the region value changed in the customer table between this time and this time for the customer ID 12, you can see that. Okay, so version start scan number. Okay, so it just assigns a number and this is the start time. Okay, and again the version ending scan number and the version ending time, and it gives a ID for the entire version and the operation, whether it is an insert or an update or a delete, and the column for which we need to track, and then from table name, which is our customer, versions between timestamp and the two timestamps. Okay, we want to find out how the data looked for the region column between these two timestamp. Okay, now let's go and execute this. Now let me run this. So let me run this SQL. You see, it is throwing an error. It says the lower limit snapshot expression was below the undo retention limit. That means it is saying I don't have so much history. Okay, reduce your range so that I can give you the value. How much is my retention? So that using the show parameter retention I can find out. So I execute that. You see, the undo retention is 900, which means it can hold only for 900 seconds. Okay, that means you can track the changes which happened for the last 900 seconds, which is equal to your 15 minutes. If you want to increase that, of course you can increase that by informing your database administrator. Okay, your starting timestamp should be always greater than or equal to current time minus 15 minutes. Okay, so I change that to 1950 and execute that. It displayed. So the latest record is displayed first. Okay, at 7:51 it was changed to north. Okay, now let me go and change this to south or maybe east. Okay, so I run that and it is updated, and let me commit that and let me change this to 7. Okay, because the time is 8:07, and let me execute this. Okay, you see one more record is inserted. At 8:06 we changed it to east, and what was the operation which changed it to east? It was update. Even here it was update. You see, during this 15-minute interval it is showing how the data was changed. It was south, and then at 7:51 it was changed to north, and again at 8:06 it was changed to east. So these were the changes which happened during the 15-minute interval. Okay, so whenever you are using your flashback version query, be careful and work with your database administrator to increase the undo retention parameter. Okay.